how to keep your skin tight, right? How do you keep your skin from just pouring off your body and dragging on the floor around you? That's one of the big fears you have. But don't worry, Uncle Mike has the answer. What's up, everybody? Mike Dolce here, and today we are diving down deep into the subject that everyone wonders about when they embark on a weight loss journey. Before we get to the video, stay to the end. I have an amazing free resource for you. Now, first up, slow and steady wins the race. Studies have shown that rapid weight loss can lead to a loss of muscle mass. Your skin is an organ that needs time to adjust. Losing 1 to 2 pounds per week allows your skin's elasticity to keep up with your body's changes. 1 to 2 pounds per week is ideal. According to the American Society of Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery, losing weight gradually can lead to better long-term results, including skin elasticity. What's the solution? Take your time. Crash dieting doesn't work anyway. So set realistic expectations and give yourself enough time, not just to lose the weight, but allow your skin shirt to shrink also. Next, let's boost your skin's elasticity. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation, and a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intakes were associated with the lower likelihood of a wrinkled appearance. Vitamin E has been proven to combat oxidative stress, which can degrade collagen. Vitamin D is vital for skin cell growth and repair, according to the Journal of Advanced Research. Now, the magic word here is collagen. There are a few key players to help with collagen production. Vitamin C, add more citrus fruits and colorful vegetables to your daily meals. Vitamin E, sunflower seeds and almonds should be your go-to snacks. Vitamin D, a few minutes in the sun, salmon, and avocados, they can work wonders to up that vitamin D production. Now, onto protein, right? A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that higher protein intake led to improved body composition. Protein is essential for cell repair and regeneration, including your skin cells. According to the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, adequate protein intake is crucial for maintaining skin health and elasticity. To build and maintain muscle, you need protein, and it's equally important for your skin. A good rule of thumb, aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of relatively lean body weight, especially if you're active. Fourth, get strong with strength training. Strength training increases your resting metabolic rate, according to the Journal of Applied Physiology. Muscle tissue is more dense than fat tissue, so strength training can lead to tighter, more compact skin as the muscle now pushes back against that skin sac or the skin shirt. Strength training also increases bone density, providing a firmer foundation for your skin to hang off of. This is the best bet for tightening that skin. Strength training helps you build functional, lean muscle tissue, which in turn improves your overall body composition and the tightness of your skin. And finally, stay hydrated. Hydration can affect skin thickness and density, according to a study in Clinical Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology. A study from the University of Missouri, Columbia suggests that dehydration can lead to visible signs of aging. We all know that, right? We see those sun goddesses of 30 years ago. Ugh, not looking so good now. Proper hydration helps in flushing out toxins, which can make your skin look healthier and more elastic. You need to keep those skin cells plump and youthful. Drinking water is your best weapon against saggy skin, and it even helps reduce with water retention. Now, if you're looking for a complete guide to hit all these points, I've got you covered with a free download that breaks down all of the points above in detail and gives you a clear roadmap to transform your body. All you have to do, click the link below this video and get your free resource. It is totally free, my gift to you. Fun fact, did you know the Dolce Diet's 12-week Living Lean program is based on my own transformation journey? Where I went from a 280-pound powerlifter with 35% body fat to a 170-pound professional MMA fighter with 5% body fat? That's right. And let me tell you, there is not a single ounce of extra skin hanging off this body. So, now I'm not only the president, I am also a client. This stuff works, guys. Make sure you click that link, download that free resource for you. And remember, don't count calories, make calories count. Boom!